Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn common and proper nouns in just 3 simple ideas.
3 ideas. That's it. And after this, you will never forget a capital letter again.
One time, I wrote, I visited Paris last summer and saw the Eiffel Tower. My teacher circled almost every word.
Ha, that's a lot of missing capital letters.
It happens to everyone. But today, we fix it. Right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere. In writing, in texting, in school, even on social media.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. Every noun is either common or proper.
That's it. Only 2 types. Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Common nouns name general things. Proper nouns name specific, particular things.
That is the whole idea.
We will build this step by step with easy examples.
And later, if you want the tricky details, we will add those too.
But remember, even the basic idea already helps you write more clearly.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. What is a common noun?
A common noun names a general person, place, or thing, not one specific one.
City, country, teacher, dog, all general, all common nouns.
Common nouns do not start with a capital letter unless they begin a sentence.
I live in a city, lowercase city, because it's general.
My teacher is very kind, lowercase teacher, because we don't name a specific person.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. I have a...
Now finish the sentence with a common noun.
Good job! You just used your first common noun.
Before step 2, one small tip. Common nouns can be countable or uncountable.
Dog is countable. Water is uncountable. But both are still common nouns.
Good connection to our earlier episodes. Now let's continue.
Step 2. What is a proper noun?
A proper noun names one specific, particular person, place, or thing.
Paris, John, Monday, the Eiffel Tower. All specific, all proper nouns.
Proper nouns always start with a capital letter, no matter where they appear in the sentence.
I live in Paris. Capital P because it's a specific city.
My teacher's name is Mr. Lee, capital M and L, because it's a specific person.
I visited France last summer and saw the Eiffel Tower.
Both France and Eiffel Tower need capital letters. They name specific places.
See the pattern? General idea, lowercase. Specific name, capital letter. Every single time.
What was your biggest mistake with this rule, Jack?
I used to write country names without capital letters. I am from Japan. My teacher circled it immediately.
I used to forget capital letters for days of the week. I have class on Monday. Always wrong.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 4. Proper nouns for people.
Let's look closer at people's names. These are always proper nouns.
First names, Tom, Lucy, Sarah, always capitalized.
Last names too. Smith, Johnson, Garcia, always capitalized.
Titles before a name are also capitalized. Dr. Lee, President Kim, Professor Adams.
But careful, without a specific name, the title becomes a common noun.
I saw a doctor yesterday. Lowercase doctor because it's general.
I saw Dr. Lee yesterday. capital doctor because it's a specific title with a name.
That small difference matters so much in formal writing.
Now let's look at places, cities, countries, and famous landmarks.
New York, Canada, Mount Everest, the Great Wall of China, all proper nouns.
Continents too, Asia, Europe, Africa, always capitalized.
Streets and buildings are also proper nouns. Main Street, the Empire State Building.
I climbed Mount Everest. Wait, that's just a dream for now.
Maybe one day, Jack. I did visit New York, though. It was an amazing trip.
I would love to visit the Great Wall of China someday.
Specific place names, always capital letters. No exceptions.
Step 6. Proper nouns for days, months, and holidays.
Here is a rule that surprises many learners.
Days of the week and months of the year are proper nouns, even though they feel like general time words.
Monday, Tuesday, January, December, always capitalized.
But seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter, stay lowercase. They are common nouns.
I love summer, but I don't love January. It's too cold.
My birthday is in December. My favorite season is spring.
See the difference? Days and months, capital letters. Seasons, lowercase.
Holidays are also proper nouns. Christmas, New Year's Day, Thanksgiving.
I always eat a big meal on Thanksgiving.
I open presents on Christmas morning.
Specific named days, always capitalized, just like people and places.
Step 7. Proper nouns for languages and nationalities.
Languages and nationalities are proper nouns too. This surprises many learners.
English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, all capitalized every single time.
I am studying French, not I am studying French.
Nationalities work the same way. I am Canadian. She is Brazilian.
What languages do you speak, Mia?
I speak English and a little bit of French.
I speak English, and I'm learning Spanish slowly.
Languages and nationalities feel like common words, but they are always proper nouns in English.
One more small trap solved with practice.
Step 8. Proper nouns for brands and products.
Let's talk about companies and product names.
Nike, Apple, Coca-Cola, Toyota, all proper nouns, always capitalized.
I bought a new pair of Nike shoes.
I drink Coca-Cola sometimes, but not every day.
These names are specific and unique, so they follow the exact same rule.
This is a nice practical way to remember the rule. Look around you right now.
Phones, clothing brands, car brands, all around us, all proper nouns.
Step 9. Titles of books, movies, and songs.
One more category, titles of creative works.
Book titles, movie titles, and song titles are also treated as proper nouns.
We capitalize the important words in the title. Romeo and Juliet, The Lion King.
Small words like and, the, or of often stay lowercase unless they start the title.
I just watched The Lion King again with my little cousin.
I'm reading Romeo and Juliet for my literature class.
Titles feel a little different, but the core idea is the same. Specific named things get capital letters.
Step 10. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will say a word, you tell me common noun or proper noun.
Ready? Dog,
Common noun,
Paris,
proper noun.
teacher,
Common noun,
Monday.
proper noun.
Great job! You're getting faster already.
Try this game yourself with words from your own daily life.
This is the best practice, thinking quickly again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you practice actively, not only read.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our main idea was common nouns name general things and stay lowercase. Proper nouns name specific things and always start with a capital letter.
Everything after that, people, places, days, languages, brands, titles, these are helpful categories.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's add one more bonus part.
Step 11. When common nouns become part of a proper noun.
Sometimes a common noun joins a proper noun and becomes capitalized too.
River is common, but in the Nile River, it becomes part of the full specific name.
Street is common, but in Baker Street, it's part of the exact address.
Ocean is common, but in the Pacific Ocean, it names one specific ocean.
The general word joins the specific name and gets capitalized too.
I live near the Pacific Ocean. I once got lost on Baker Street in London.
This little detail makes your writing look polished and professional.
Step 12. Put it all together.
Now, let's build a few full sentences.
Listen to my example. Last summer, I traveled to Italy with my friend Sarah. We visited Rome and saw the Colosseum. Our trip started on a Tuesday in June, right before my birthday.
Listen to my example. My teacher, Mr. Kim, is from South Korea. He speaks Korean and English very well. Every December, he tells us about Christmas traditions back in his hometown.
See, we used common and proper nouns naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules. Clear sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar all at once. You just need clear, simple practice.
And a little bit of patience helps too.
Step 13. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. Is country a common noun or a proper noun?
Question 2. Is Japan a common noun or a proper noun?
Question 3. Fix the mistake. I live in Canada near Toronto.
Question 4. Is summer capitalized like the months are?
Question 5. Name one proper noun from your own daily life. A person, a place, or a brand.
Question 6. True or false? Languages, like English and Spanish, are always capitalized?
Now, check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud, in front of a mirror, or while you make your coffee, or while you walk.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you speak, not only think.
So don't be shy. Try it right now after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Common nouns name general things and stay lowercase.
Proper nouns name specific things and always take a capital letter.
People's names, places, days, months, holidays, all proper nouns.
Languages, nationalities, brands, and titles also proper nouns.
Seasons stay lowercase, even though days and months don't.
6 small categories, 1 simple system.
But remember, you only need the first rule. General word, lowercase. Specific name, capital letter.
The rest adds slowly, over time, as you feel ready.
You don't need every category today. Choose the ones you understand best.
Maybe you only remember 2 rules today. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add one more rule. Slowly, You build full confidence.
Learning grammar is not a race. It's a walk, one small step at a time.
I love that idea.
If you are writing a message, always double-check names, places, and days for capital letters.
If you are speaking, don't worry too much. Capital letters matter most in writing.
It depends on the moment. Feel the meaning and choose your word.
That is a very smart tip.
Before we finish, let's talk about this topic one more time.
Common and proper nouns are not scary ideas.
They're helpers.
Helpers that show whether you mean something general or something specific.
And when you use them correctly, your writing looks polished and professional.
No more, I visited Paris. Instead, I visited Paris.
Just clear, natural, confident English.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Is this general, or is this a specific, named thing?
So remember, keep it simple.
Practice daily.
And smile.
A smile makes learning more fun, too.
Remember my story from the beginning? I visited Paris last summer. No capital letters anywhere.
I remember. It made me smile.
But now, if someone asks me about proper nouns, I don't freeze anymore.
Because now you have a system, a simple structure in your head.
Exactly. And now you have that system too.
Yes, all of our listeners do too.
So next time you write, take a breath and think.
Then just ask yourself, is this a general word or is this a specific named thing?
You will surprise yourself with how well you can do it.
I believe in you, our dear listeners.
We really do.
We mean it.
So here's your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
And say 3 sentences, one with a common noun, one with a proper noun, and one with both together capitalized.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait. Did you do it? Great job.
That's it. You just did the hardest part. Everything else gets easier from here.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is fun.
It really does. This was a great episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our channel.
And please, share it with a friend who's also learning English.
We want to help as many people as we can.
And now, for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comment section below.
Write 3 sentences using a common noun, a proper noun, and a full sentence with both capitalized correctly.
For example, I live in a city. My city is called Seoul. I love living in Seoul.
You can write anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and check your capital letters.
It will be so much fun reading all your examples.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure as always.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, knowing common from proper makes your writing crystal clear.
General word, lowercase. Specific name, capital letter.
Your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Mia.